Hey guys, it's Matt here from Automotive Superstore, and today we're going to have a bit of a deeper look at the Kenwood DMX8020S and look at some of the key features. Now obviously first up you can see here it's got a 7-inch resistive touchscreen display which looks beautiful with the vibrant colours. This unit's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via a wide USB connection. Today we've rigged up a USB mirroring for an Android device that you can start just like this. Now this is great because you can control it off the head unit and it's two-way controllable. This is one of our early videos, as you can see here. Touch it and away we go. Now following on from that, this unit's also got two full-time Bluetooth phone connections, so you can have two phones connected at once, and it also has three high-volt RCA Pre-outs. Keeping on the back of the unit, this unit also has a 1.5 amp USB charging port and also has the capacity to have 3 camera inputs that you can configure like so. If you just go into the menu here, click setup, then into cameras, you can go into the assignment settings and obviously front, rear and any additional ones like so. These units are also great because they also feature the drive recorder, the DRV-N520, so that you can plug in your dash cam and away you go. This is a great start to the Kenwood 2020 lineup and a great unit for the value.